This is where we live, Gask. This is the beautiful place that we live. As you can see, there's no traffic up that road there, no traffic. Absolutely bugger all. Right, we'll go down here. Here's has planted some nice flowers here. Roses, and I don't know the name of them. That's lilies. Some of them are lilies. Don't know what that is. But this one here is lobelia. That's lobelia. Nice lobelia. Just coming out, just starting to sprout. And this here is marigold. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Check them out. Listen to a bit of sound. Got a bit of the Two-Door Cinema Club on. Pansies. Sweet peas. Yep, this is ever something, everlasting green. Sweet peas or something. Check the lilies out. Absolutely beautiful. I haven't got a clue what this is because it keeps coming up with got it doing last year and it just keeps coming up. That's freesias, but the henna flowers yet. This is a lavender plant and it smells absolutely beautiful. It smells beautiful. That's the garage over here. Garage. You won't see nothing much in there. Just motorbike and some shite lying about the place. There we go. This is the front garden. Done a lot of work here. This is Hayes' rockery. Done a lot of work to this. It's looking good. Yep. Don't know what that tree is, but it's this place was an absolute shithole when we took it over. And we've got the grass growing and and it's looking quite good, but still a bit of work to do on the grass because that trees are a problem, but we can't cut them down. So, and that is looking towards Aberdeen. That bush usually comes out yellow, but I don't know when that's going to happen. As you can see, this is where the girls used to rampage and dig up and yeah, this is the garden. There's swallows here. They keep going into the garage and here they come all the way from Africa and they come back here and they've got nests in there and they've got nests in that garage. So here we are back at the house. Just sitting outside in a couple of drams. go. There's the sort of view you get from the jam. That's the view you get. Absolutely beautiful.